Hello printheads, and welcome back to the Printheads YouTube channel, where today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do a printhead cleaning on your Epson EcoTank printer. Now today I'm going to be using an ET-2850. However, if your printer looks a little bit different and, for example, it still has a screen, then this tutorial will work completely okay, because all EcoTanks have the exact same firmware and hardware. So if yours looks a little bit different, that's completely okay. Just stick around and the tutorial should work on how to do a print head cleaning. Now you might need a print head cleaning if your printer quality is going down. You might have some lines in your prints. Maybe a certain color isn't coming through, and this may be because you haven't printed for a while. So I would recommend to do a print head cleaning, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So firstly, you're going to want to have some ink in your printer. So I would recommend having at least up to, this amount here, because a print head cleaning will require some ink. Now, firstly, we're just going to want to turn on the printer. By the way, if you don't have enough ink, it might damage your printer, okay? So that is really important. So turn on your printer, and you're going to, by pressing this button, go to your home page, and then just scroll along here to settings, maintenance, and then go to the right here and do head cleaning. So this is a printer head clean. So you're going to want to load some paper in the back and just press start. So guys, this will take around 2 to 5 minutes. Shouldn't take too long. It's going to make a lot of noises. Don't worry, it should all be going according to plan. Grab yourself a cup of tea, make yourself a cup of coffee, whatever. Sit back and enjoy the show, guys. It won't take very long, but I will see you guys when it's done. And when it's done, it should do a printer nozzle check, just to show you how effective it's been, basically. Okay guys, so my head clean just completed, and now you can see that it has printed a nozzle check, just to show if the print head has been successful. So as you guys can see, my let me just get it focused. My print head cleaning was very successful. In fact, I now have no lines in between my print heads, which is kind of what shows you if you have any problems. So if you do have lines, then you might need another head cleaning. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. You can perform up to 3 of these in one day, and then you should wait 12 hours before doing any more. And then you might have to resort to a power clean. And if you guys need help on that, then we have a few videos on exactly how to do that, which I will link in the description down below. Okay, so it's actually very simple. If you have any missing segments, it offers to run another head cleaning for you. However, I don't, so we do not need to do that for now. But yeah, guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope you managed to do a head clean successfully. Leave a like, if you have any other problems or any comments, leave them down below in the comments, and check out any of our other printer videos. We have videos on every problem and every printer. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Always remember, stay printy.